Hi there, this is Adriana from BochaSweet. Today I want to introduce our Keto Vanilla Cake mix in its new packaging. A delicious vanilla cake with this bacon mix. You can make up to 12 servings or slices of cake, or you can also use it for cupcakes. And it's so good, and you know why it is? Because it is sweetened with BochaSweet, our kabocha extract, which makes it keto-friendly and diabetic-friendly. And last but not least, this is gluten-free. So you can't forget about the unhealthy wheat flour. This one has coconut flour and almond flour. All the instructions to make it are in the back of the pouch, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make it. And as a bonus, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious frosting made with our powdered BochaSweet. I hope you enjoyed this video and that this has given you a good idea on what to do on this celebration. Head out to bochasweet.com and grab your own pouch, and also you can find it on Amazon. Also, feel free to share your creations with our Keto Vanilla Cake mix and giving us a tag at BochaSweet or #BochaSweet.